So some of you guys have been asking me, Mazi, what is this about partnership ads, right? How are they going to earn from partnership ads? Right, this is the most asked question right now, because a lot of people just see the partnership ad in their earnings. They feel like, yeah, there's no in-stream ad, there's no this thing, it's just the partnership ad. How do I earn from it? Right, the partnership ad is just a kind of contract between an advertiser and a content creator, or a company and a content creator. Right, so this is basically like, for instance, if you have been on Instagram and you are following all these top influencers like Ronaldo, Messi, and even Davido. Davido actually partnered with Puma, right? So, and Ronaldo also partnered with a lot of people on his page. So this is what this is all about. So how do you now earn from it? So this is how you earn from partnership ad. This is when a company meets you, right, and tell you, right, I love what you're doing, right, and I would like to partner with you so that I'll be able to promote my project. Then it's left to you to bargain with the company to know how much you would like the company to pay you, right? So after bargaining with the company, and maybe you guys agree 100 million, right, then what they are going to do is that either you create the content or they create the content. Then while posting the content on social media, then they will now partner with you. They will send you an invite. Then you are now going to accept the invite, right? So when you accept the invite, your page and their page will share the content on social media, right? So this is exactly how they do it. So depending on how many times you guys agreed on to partner on that particular product or partner with that particular company, right? Some people can actually agree that, okay, well, let's partner for like 1 month, 1 year, and we are going to put out 5 posts or 10 posts, right? So depending on your agreement. So this one doesn't actually concern Facebook. It's the agreement between you and the company, right? If you reach out an agreement and you are good with it, then all you just need to do is to use the tool to connect with each other. You use the tool to connect with each other. So the tool is basically for adverts. If you want to make money with partnership ad, I will advise you to also focus more on creating content and build your audience, because most companies will not contact you if you don't have audience, right? And mainly companies contact people that when they partner with them, they'll be able to make sales, right? So if you don't have audience, there's no way the company is going to make sales. So this is the reason why most company will not even actually get interest in partnering with you, right? So what you need to do is, right now, if you know you don't have audience, work more harder, post every day, post steady, be steady, consistent, keep doing it. Your video will go viral, you will get followers, and now those companies will be the one to rush you. Some people actually chat companies, but when you chat company, the money they are going to give you will be very low, because you are the one chasing them. Do not chase people, do not chase companies, allow them to chase you. Right here, I have 10,000 subscribers. Even right before before 10,000 subscribers, a lot of companies have been chatting me that they want me to make a video about their services, right? But I have to look into the services. When I look into the services and see if this thing can actually benefit my people first, which is the first thing you need to look into. Is this thing going to benefit my people? Because you shouldn't partner with people that after partnering with them, you will fall into problem, because some companies might not actually deliver that service they promise that they will deliver. So you should be more careful. So when those people come to me, the first thing I check is the service. What are you rendering? So after going through the service you render, right, then I will now say, okay, this is the amount of money you are going to pay me. So most of them will run away, but most of them stay. So I don't beg you. If you like, if I tell you to pay me 10 million naira and you say you cannot pay 10 million naira, you go. Before you come, I've been living my life. I've been surviving. So, but when you chase after them, they will play you. So do not chase after them. Focus more on creating your content. When you create your content, when you get the audience, you see that they will follow you. You see some people like Sabinus, right? You see endorsement. See Brainjota. Brainjota went to China to actually advertise a car brand, right? So those people now, they came to him here in Nigeria, they took him to China. If he was the one that was chasing after them, they will not give him that celebration. They will not celebrate him the way they are celebrating him right now. So it's important. Do not chase after them. The partnership ad is there for you to make money, but grow your audience. When you grow your audience, you will make money, a lot of money with the partnership ad. So it's just all about adverts. Right, and it is between a creator and a company, or creator and advertiser. Right, so you shouldn't worry about it. It's not something bad, it's something good that you can actually make money from, but you should learn how to make money from it. You should know your value. Right, know your value. Self-value is the most important thing as a content creator. Do not chase after everything, do not chase after all these things. Just focus more on building yourself. When you build yourself, you see that they will be the one to rush you. You don't need to rush anybody. So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you all for always watching my video. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. Right, so thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video.